Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ben. If you're new, you're most welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe. Here I share important tricks and hacks how you can grow your YouTube channel healthily and not struggle too much. You know, a lot of people make mistakes that lead them to struggle to develop their YouTube channel, to make their YouTube channel grow. But here I actually help you to simplify that. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check whether your YouTube channel is under a shadow ban. What is a shadow ban though? A shadow ban is a temporary ban that is put on a YouTube channel after violating the YouTube rules and guidelines, which are actually called the YouTube community guidelines. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can check whether your YouTube channel is under a shadow ban. That could be leading your channel not to get the views that you actually expect. All right, guys, so let's go through the video. All right, so the first step we do is to open your favorite browser. But with me, I always like Google Chrome. So after opening the browser, you tap here and search for ytlarge.com, as you see it there. And then you search. After searching, this is the screen that will come next. Actually, this website is so good. You can check YouTube monetization, YouTube channel ID finder, YouTube data viewer, YouTube image tool, YouTube tag extractor. If you want to extract tags from certain videos, it can also help you. But for today, we want the YouTube Shadowban detector. So you come and tap here. After coming to this screen, you minimize this browser. You go back to home. After that, you come to YouTube and the channel that you want to check. You copy, you share here, and then copy the link. After you minimize YouTube, you go back to the browser and paste the link. After pasting the link, you have to copy this number to prove that you're not a robot. These numbers here, and then you submit. It literally takes very little time to load. Now here is the information. They show you everything on this website. The YouTube channel name is Ben Did It. Creation, it was created on June 12th, 2020, which is true. And then I've been on YouTube for 4 years and 3 months, which is actually true. Location, United States, and I'm a Christian, you get? So all the information here is true. And if you want to check to see whether your YouTube channel is under Shadowban, you just have to tap here. So you read this information. When the channel is restricted in any of the following region, the automation detects the restriction and reflects it to you. There are 249 regions in total. So my channel is actually not restricted, or my channel is not shadow banned. So if you find that these green numbers are red, it will literally mean that your channel is under shadow ban. So with my channel, it's not under shadow ban, but in case you find your channel is under shadow ban after checking, what you have to do, I will tell you in the next screen. All right, hope you can now check whether your YouTube channel is under a shadow ban. And in case you find your YouTube channel is under a shadow ban, what you have to do, you have to wait for 90 days, which are 3 months. After 3 months, a shadow ban which is put on your YouTube channel will automatically be removed. And in case you break a YouTube guideline again, you will receive a shadow ban still. So you have to make sure that you actually follow the YouTube guidelines. If you don't know the YouTube guidelines, you have to make sure that you go and read about the YouTube guidelines so that you don't make mistakes again, and that will affect your YouTube channel from growing. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.